Welcome to my channel. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகிறது 5th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டேர்ம் 3 ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெசன் சோஷியல் ஃபோர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் பேலசஸ் அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் வித் ஆன்சர்ஸ் தான் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு பார்க்க போகிறது சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். Dash fort was built by kings of Vijayanagar. Option B, Vellore is the correct answer. Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is situated in Dash. Option C, Madurai is the correct answer. Das Mahal is considered as one of the oldest historical libraries in India. Option A, Saraswati is the correct answer. Padmanabhapuram Palace is in Dash. Option B, Kanyakumari is the correct answer. Dash fort is locally called Danish fort. Option C, Taragambadi is the correct answer. Next one, match the following. Jinji Fort, Vellupuram, Danish Fort, Tarangambadi, Tamakkam Palace, Madurai, Thirumayum Fort, Pudukkottai, Fort St. George, Chennai. These are all the straight answers, correct answer. உங்களுக்கு நான் ஸ்ட்ரைட்டான ஆன்சர் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ட்ரூ ஆர் ஃபால்ஸ். Tamil Nadu has been ruled by many rulers, especially by the Chera, Chola, Pandya and Pallava rulers. True. Vellore Fort has 5 mahals. True. Dindigul Fort has built by the Nayaks of Madurai. True. Umayan Kottai is the other name for Jinji Fort. False. The Padmanabhapuram Palace was built by the ruler of Travancore. True. Next one, answer the following. What are the prime attractions of Tamil Nadu tourism? Palaces, forts and other historical sites are the prime attractions for tourists in Tamil Nadu. Write a short note on Tarangambadi Fort. Tarangambadi Fort is locally called Danish Fort. It is located on the shores of Bay of Bengal in Tarangambadi, Travancore, Tamil Nadu. Name some of the tourist attractions of Jinji Fort. Kalyan Mahal, temples, Anaikulam Pond, granaries and a watchtower. Give a short note on Thirumalai Nayakar Palace. The majestic Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is a 17th century architecture of Nayakar dynasty. Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is located in the city of Madurai. This is one of the tourist spots of Tamil Nadu. Who built the Tanjavur Maratha Palace? Write some of its tourist attraction. Tanjavur Maratha Palace was originally constructed by the ruler of Tanjavur Nayakar Kingdom. The attraction are the palace, the art gallery and the manuscript library, Saraswati Mahal. Next one, answer the following in detail. Describe the structure of the Vellore Fort. Vellore Fort is a 16th century fort situated in Vellore, Tamil Nadu. It was built by the kings of Vijayanagara. Among the forts in Tamil Nadu, Vellore Fort is considered to be one of the most invincible forts. It is surrounded by a deep and wide moat. Inside the Vellore Fort, there is a well-known temple called Jalagadishwara Temple, church, mosque, museum, and several government offices. Right at Dindigul Fort. Dindigul Fort is a 17th century hill fort situated in Dindigul, Tamil Nadu. It is also called Dindigul Malaikottai. In the 18th century, the fort was passed under to the kingdom of Mysore. The Dindigul fort was built by the Nayakas of Madurai in order to defend the religion from the invading Mysore army. Presently, the fort is maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India. The fort was cemented with double walls to without heavy artillery. Describe the architecture and various sections of Padmanabhapuram Palace. Padmanabhapuram Palace is a beautiful historical monument that is situated at Padmanabhapuram, Kanyakumari districts. It is also known as Kalkulam Palace. Padmanabhapuram Palace is a wooden palace which is built in Kerala style of architecture. It is a fine example of art and craftsmanship. The Padmanabhapuram Palace was built by the ruler of Travancore. The palace was various sections like Queen Mother Palace and so on. The video will be complete. The next lesson will be uploaded soon. Thank you for watching my channel.